Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix a Wi-Fi connected but no internet access on your Android. So if you have this problem, you connect your Wi-Fi but you can open any website because of there is no internet access. So you can try a reset your network. You can try to type network. Here we go, reset network settings. You can reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings here. So you can try like a factory reset of your network, and then try to re-log in your Wi-Fi connection. And also you can try to use a private DNS. You can click or tap a connection and sharing and use Google DNS on the designated private DNS that you modified. Here I'm using DNS at guard. You can try to search any DNS on the internet that maybe uh, can can suit on your Android. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe. Also click the text button below. See you in the next video.